So with that dynamic introduction, let's go to breath sounds. So now I'm going to something called as wheeze. Wheeze is a high-pitched sound caused by hissing or sibilant quality which arises from a small airway obstruction at the level of the bronchioles. We have two types of wheeze: monophonic a local pathology which causes bronchial obstruction. For example, tumor or a foreign body at the level of the bronchus, bronchostenosis, or a mucus plug. Polyphonic, which has multiple tone. See, it has one high pitch, one low pitch. Yeah. So this is caused by dynamic compression by bronchial asthma, tropical pulmonary eosinophilia, and hypersensitivity pneumonia. So now we go to the next sound. Can you guess what it is? So now we come to something called as bronchi. They are low pitch sounds with a sonorous or snoring quality, and they are present in the mucous and respiratory secretions. The causes include COPD and bronchitis. Now we have crepitations, which are discontinuous, explosive, and non-musical. There are fine creps, coarse creps. Fine creps due to small airways, coarse creps due to accumulated secretions. So wherever there is mucus, we can say there is coarse crep fluid. For example, pulmonary edema, bronchiectasis, bronchitis. All these are due to some accumulation of some fluid pathology. Whereas fine creps are due to small airways like interstitial lung disease, occupational disease like asbestosis, and hypersensitivity pneumonia. So here's a fine crep. They all sound the same. See, you can get that characteristic crackle. Yeah. And here's a coarse crep. That's lung sounds in 2 minutes. Thank you.